Vocabulary building. Lesson 8.
clumsy, clumsy, clumsy,
Not graceful, often dropping or breaking things. Awkward in movement or action. Example sentences. He is clumsy and often spills his drinks. She made a clumsy attempt to apologize. I felt clumsy while trying to dance.
immersion, immersion, immersion,
Being fully involved or deeply engaged in something. Example sentences. Her immersion in reading made her forget the time. Language immersion helps people learn faster. He showed deep immersion in his prayers.
dismay, dismay, dismay,
A strong feeling of sadness, worry, or disappointment. Example sentences. Much to her dismay, the flight was cancelled. He looked at the broken gift in dismay. I was filled with dismay when I lost my phone.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel to get more vocabulary lessons. See you in the next video. Bye.